Once again, this is the 2025 and 26 dance competition for Group C. So when these girls are on stage working, lighting it up, I want to make sure y'all make a whole lot of noise. Cause in a world full of entertainers, there lies the extraordinary group of dancers from Minnesota that's lighting up the stage even during the wintertime. So let's make some noise for Bleu.